This video introduces a Trinity use case on user-friendly human-robot collaborative task programming. This video will be split as follows. First, a general use case overview will be done. Then we'll see how the use case contributes to agile manufacturing. We'll cover the benefits for manufacturing companies. We'll then see what are the required investment. And then we'll summarize the key points from this video in a conclusion. This Trinity use case aims to tackle different industry challenges. Among those challenges, the first one is to have a fast cobot programming, as in the industry, the programming time remains an important cost in the complete application. The second challenge is that we want this use case to tackle is to be able to have complex assembly operation, such as peg-in-hole, which are type of operation that remains challenging for integrator. And finally, we also want to tackle the issue with reprogramming for a new product variant. When a new variant is introduced, integrators still spend a long time trying to adapt the existing code in order to match the new variant. In order to validate those different challenges, we have selected a demonstrator task. This task consists of the assembly of an air compressor. You can see on the right picture the setup which is used in this use case and consists of the cobot, which is a KUKA Iowa, as well as the compressor components. Among the different assembly steps, the most challenging one is the insertion of the screw rotor inside the compressor housing, as this insertion has a tight tolerance and therefore required a force-based insertion. In order to tackle the previously introduced challenges, our solution focused on two different aspects. The first one is to focus on intuitiveness of robot programming. We have developed a graphical user interface that is this robot programming. Instead of diving into complex robot code, the operator is able to interact with that user interface in order to create this application. In addition, the operator can use a programming by demonstration, which uses the cobot safety to guide the robot to the desired location. The second approach focuses on a skill-based solution, and this skill-based approach uses skills in order to ease the creation of complex assembly operation. Those skills consist of various types of robot operation, and a simple example of skill is a picking operation. Those skills can be concatenated in order to create much more advanced assembly tasks. And finally, those skills can be easily reused. This use case has multiple contributions to agile manufacturing. Thanks to the intuitiveness of the user interface, the programming is much easier, and therefore it makes the programming time lowered. As a result of that reduction in time, the total cost of programming is also reduced. The use case also offers large flexibility, as any task can be easily adapted for a new product variant. Next, the operator training is also lowered, as thanks to the intuitiveness of this use case, the operator doesn't need to dive into complex robot code to achieve the application. This operator can intuitively create and modify any robot program from that interface. Finally, the framework is vendor independent and therefore it is compatible with any types of robots, industrial robots, as well as collaborative robots. We've seen that this use case has multiple contributions to agile manufacturing. Now we can list what are the benefits for manufacturing companies. So this use case can be integrated in various size companies that are currently dealing with product assembly operation. In addition, this framework helps companies to reduce the programming time and as a result, reduce the programming cost. The provided list of skills can be easily extended in order to match all your needs for a robot manufacturing operation. Finally, the last benefit is regarding the flexibility to adapt any existing robot application. We can now cover what are the required investment for using this use case in your current application. Regarding the hardware, as explained, this solution is a vendor-independent solution and therefore it can be used with any robot, industrial or collaborative robot, as long as a driver is provided, and if none is available, then it needs to be created. For the software, the complete solution has been built on Ubuntu operating system using the open source ROS2 as well as Docker. In order for you to extend this use case, you need to have good programming skills. In conclusion, we have seen during this video that the use case demonstrator largely reduces the programming as well as reprogramming time of your robot application. This solution is also a vendor-independent solution, therefore you can use multiple brands of robots. This solution also reduces the reliance on high-tech integrator. And finally, it allows the shop floor operators to control over robot application and to easily adapt robot program.